In this video, we will see how Control Tower displays information about business process execution. Now, let's look at Control Tower to see the process steps of the business process we just executed. The Results tab shows us summarized information about the execution of each step. Note that all steps except for the last one are 100 complete. The incomplete last step is due to exceptions that were thrown. Now we check the Design tab to see the workflow results. Under each step, we see the percentage of completion and the ratio of input and output records, which are links or documents. 8 invoices were collected and passed to optical character recognition. The optical character recognition engine converted the invoice images into searchable HTML text and routed the HTML documents to automatic data field extraction. However, automatic data field extraction failed on 3 documents. These 3 will not be entered into the invoice system in the next business process step. Now return to the Results tab to see the output of data field extraction. Note that each of 5 records contain client name, invoice, date, products, and prices are saved in JSON format. To summarize, 8 invoices were collected, 5 were processed, and 3 were held as exceptions.